Hello friends, good morning. Happy World Biodiversity Day to all. Biodiversity is a term used to describe the enormous variety of life on Earth. It can be used more specifically to refer to all of the species in one region or ecosystems. Biodiversity refers to every living thing including plant, bacteria, animals and humans. Ecological life support. Biological diversity provides functioning ecosystems that supply oxygen, clean air and water, pollination of plants, pest control, wastewater treatment, and many ecosystem services. Many recreational pursuits rely on our unique biodiversity, such as bird watching, hiking, camping, and fishing. So, in today's, on the occasion of International Day for Biological Diversity, myself, Dr. Rajni Srivastava, going to give you a video lecture on this biological diversity. This video lecture I am dedicated to Sundarlal Bahuguda. He was an Indian noted Gadwali environmentalist and Chipko movement leader. He was also a leader in the movement to oppose the Tehri Dam project and in defending India's river. He also worked for women's rights and right of the poor, and his methods were Gandhian, making use of peaceful resistance and non-violence. In 1987, he got Right Livelihood Award, also referred to as the Alternative Nobel Prize. He was born on 9th January 1927 and died yesterday on 27th May 2021 in Rishikesh at age of 94. His wife name is Vimla Bahuguda, and he has published many books like Dharti Ki Pukar, India's Environment, Myth and Reality. So my great tribute to great environmentalist and conservationist, Chipko movement leader Sundarlal Bahuguda. Today is the International Day of Biodiversity, and this year the theme of biodiversity is "We are part of solution for nature." As per the Convention on Biological Diversity, the slogan was chosen to be a continuation of the momentum generated last year under the overarching theme "Our Solution Are in Nature," which served as a reminder that biodiversity remains the answer to several sustainable development challenges. From nature-based solution to climate, health issues, food and water security, and sustainable livelihood, biodiversity is the foundation upon which we can build back better. Biodiversity is the living fabric of our planet, and UNESCO states that it underpins human well-being in the present and in the future, and its rapid decline threatens nature and people alike. To reverse this decline, it is important for people to take their roles, actions, and relationship with biodiversity seriously. For better promote these events, let us participate in the International Day for Biodiversity 2021 theme. The UN proclaimed May 22 as the International Biodiversity Day to increase understanding and awareness of biodiversity issues. When first created by the Second Committee of the UN General Assembly in late 1993, 29th December, the date of the entry into force of CBD. And previously it was celebrated, the World Biodiversity Day or the International Day for Biological Diversity was celebrated on 23rd, 29th December. But from 2001, the UN proclaimed International Day for Biological Diversity to be May 22, and now each year this day focuses on a particular theme and is celebrated according to it. This year the theme is "We are part of solution." Last year the theme was "Our solution are in nature," And before that, the theme of World International Day for Biodiversity was Our Biodiversity, Our Food, Our Health. In 2018, the theme was celebrating 25 year of actions for biodiversity, and 2017 the theme was biodiversity and sustainable tourism. In 2002, in the starting of World Biodiversity celebration, it was dedicated to forest biodiversity. Now, let us discuss this year theme. We are part of solution. CBD is the Convention on Biological Diversity, and this entered into the force on 29th December 1993. It has three main objectives: the conservation of biological diversity, the sustainable use of the components of biological diversity, the fair and equitable sharing of the benefits arising out of the utilization of genetic resources. Conventions. This biological diversity have sub-convention protocols. There are three major. First one is the Nagoya Protocol on access and benefit sharing, then Cartagena Protocol on biosafety, then Nagoya Kuala Lumpur Supplementary Protocol on liability and redressal to the Cartagena Protocol on biosafety. Nagoya Protocol on access to genetic resources and the fair and equitable sharing of benefit arising from their utilization to the Convention on Biological Diversity is an international agreement which aims at sharing the benefits arising from the utilization of genetic resources in fair and equitable way. It entered into the force on 12 October 2014 and 90 days after the date of the deposit of the 50th instruments of the rectification. Second, the Cartagena Protocol on Biosafety to the Convention on Biodiversity is an international agreement which aims to ensure the safe handling, transport and use of living modified organisms, that is LMOs, resulting from the modern biotechnology that may have adverse effect on biological diversity, taking also into account risk to human health. It was adopted on 29 January 2000 and entered into force on 11 September 2003. The Nagoya Kuala Lumpur Supplementary Protocol on Liability and Redress to the Cartagena Protocol on Biosafety was adopted on 15th October 2010 at 5th meeting of the Conference of Parties, serving as a meeting of the Cartagena Protocol on Biosafety held in Nagoya, Japan, and it was entered into the force on 5th March 2018. Adopted, this protocol was adopted as a supplementary agreement. Supplementary agreement aims to contribute to the conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity by providing international rules and procedure in the field of liability and redress relating to the LMOs, living modified organisms, as stated in Article 1. And the protocol applies to damaging resulting from LMOs which find their origin in a transboundary movements. So all these are about CBD and the protocols related to CBD. Biodiversity is the variety of organisms present on the earth's surface. It includes animals, plants, vegetable, fungi, algae, bacteria and even viruses. And these biodiversity is very important. The result of 3.8 billion years of evolution, biodiversity is essential to human survival, and we rely on nature for many essential resources like food, building materials, textiles and other ingredients in medicine. In addition, there are other vital functions that nature provides. So this biodiversity is very much important for human being for sustaining our ecosystem functions and structure. So in this biodiversity, what can we do to protect biodiversity? We can do many small practical thing every year to save our biodiversity. Raising awareness within our community, helping research by watching and recording wildlife and ecosystem, using sustainable techniques in our gardening and construction and DIY projects. So let us do something for preservation or protection of biodiversity this year also. At least we can aware some people about biodiversity and importance of biodiversity, and in real means we will celebrate the World Biodiversity Day. So thank you so much. Again, a happy World Biodiversity Day to all, and hoping that all of you do some actions to conserve our biodiversity. Thank you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe, like and share my channel Rajni Classes. Thank you.